Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are here to learn about a new question from Lead Code, number of beautiful fairs. Question number 2748 from Lead Code. Let's read the question, let's understand the question, let's see what the question is about first. You are given a zero indexed integer array nums. Okay, they have given us an array. We need to find out a pair of indices I and j where I are less than j. I less than j, like I and j are a valid indexes and I should be always less than j. Then only this pair is a valid pair. Okay. A pair of indices are called beautiful if the first digit of I, if the first digit of first number and last digit of second number are co-prime. Okay. So they are giving us an array. Okay, we need to take pairs. We need to take pairs in such a way I is less than j. Okay. And this pairs first element, first digit, second element, last digit should be co-primes. Okay. Return the total number of beautiful pairs. So two numbers are called as co-primes if there is no integer greater than 1 that divides both of them. In other words, x and y are co-primes if GCD of x and y are 1. Okay, so we can simply write this GCD function. So let me see this. So very simple guys. If we need to find out the pairs where GCD of two numbers is 1. So let's take an example. Let's take the example that I've given. Okay. So this is index 0, 1, 2, 3. So now I can pair 2 with all remaining one, 5, 4, 1, 4. Okay. So 2 comma 5 will become a pair. 2 comma 1 becomes a pair and 2 comma 4 also becomes a pair. I can do this. And again, and everywhere index of 2 is less than index of other number. Okay, index of 2 is less than other number. If you observe, 0 is the index of 2, where other indexes are 1 to 3, where the index of 2 is less than all the remaining values. Okay, all the remaining values. Now, if you go to 5, you can pair this 5 only with these elements. Why? Because if you want to go to pair with 2, index of 5 is 1 and index of 2 is 0, where 1 is greater than 0. But our I comma j should be in such a way that I should be less than j, right? So that's the reason. Always take an element and pair with right side values. Pair with right side values. Okay. Now we will take 2. You will pair with 5. But these two are called as beautiful pairs when? When if the GCD is 1. GCD is 1. So here the tricky part is we need to get the last digit of a number. It's very simple. Like you divide any number modulus 10, this will give you the last digit of a number, right? 15 modulus 10 is 5, which is last digit. So the tricky part here is to get the first digit. To get the first digit, you can use it. You can do continuous division and get this first digit, or you can even use the string methods that we have. Convert this number into string, get the first digit, and all that is also possible. Both are fine. And after getting that, you need to send these two numbers to a GCD method. And if it returns you one, that is a beautiful pair. That is a beautiful pair. So I can count that pair. That is what we need to do, guys. Okay. Now, first, let me create a GCD method int GCD of int a comma int b. Okay. As we know, return a. Return a. So how we will calculate GCD, guys? Let me complete this GCD method. We will simply return a. When we return a, if b is 0, okay, we can simply return a. Else, we need to calculate the GCD of b comma b comma b modulus a. B comma b modulus a, guys. That's all. This is how we do this question. Okay. Now let me put it here. Okay, then this is the GCD method. Now let's generate the pair int count equals to 0 per int I equals to 0, I less than nums dot length I plus plus. Okay. The first most thing is to get the first digit of this number, to get the first digit of this number. How you will get, that's the matter. And after getting the first digit, what you will do? You need to pair with I plus 1 values. You need to pair with I plus 1 values. Nums dot length j plus plus. Now here, getting the first digit and last digit. And after that, you will call the GCD method. So GCD of first digit and last digit should be equals to 1. If that is the case, we will simply increase the count. At the end, what we will do? We will simply return count. Good. But what I need to send? Two numbers. One is second digit nums of j modulus 10. Last digit of the second number and first digit of the first number. But how you will get the first digit? How? Yes, convert this into string. String dot value of nums of I. Convert it into string. Okay. After that, get the character at 0th place, which means once if you convert any number into string, for example, 123. Okay, this is converted to string. So this will become double quotes 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now this is the 0th index, which you will have your first number. That's the way we will get the first digit. After getting the digit, what you need to do? Of what you need to do? You need to convert this into integer. Integer. How you will do? Integer dot parse int. Integer dot parse int. That's all. That's all, guys. This is how we will do. This is one of the way to do it by using the numbers and all. Oh, we got 5, but the expected is 3. Let's check the logic for GCD. And B, if it is 0, return A, or else B comma modulus A. Here, let's just see. So here, the mistake that we did is B comma A modulus B, not B modulus A. That's all. That's the small thing that we did. Other than that, everything is good. Yeah, that's all, guys. Simple one. Pairing the numbers and finding the GCD, and finding the GCD, getting the first date is tricky. So we are using the inbuilt methods. I wish you people to do without using any inbuilt methods if possible. We can use a while loop and all, that is very simple one. But yeah, this is the easiest way to write your code. I hope you understand the video. Let's meet in the next one. Until then, see you guys.